चला खेळूया हा महाविलक्षण खेळ. कोण होईल मराठी करोडपती.
So hi Sachin, firstly welcome to tellychakkar.com. I would like to know what prompted you to take up anchoring KBC.
I must share this with you that I have never anchored any show before this. This is something which came into my lap, and it's an iconic show. I mean, done by Mr. Bachchan for 6-7 times now, and I always, dreamt of doing it in my language. And the fact that I got the opportunity, I was completely elated and glad that it came my way, and there was no reason to refuse it, and I had to do it.
Alright, so anchoring the Marathi version of Kaun Banega Crorepati, do you draw inspiration from Mr. Amitabh Bachchan also while anchoring this?
Completely.
Alright.
Completely, because one is a huge star. Imagine that a commoner sitting in front of him, and the way he reacts with them, or the way he gets their story and speaks to them at a level which they're not pressured about. Now, I'm a nobody in front of Mr. Bachchan, but that quality, that human quality in Amit ji, which I have completely emulated or want to emulate 100%. I mean, that is the quality which makes the game. I mean, the game is of course interesting, but it's Mr. Bachchan's charisma which works, and I'm just trying to kind of aid him.
So you've done acting, you've done direction, and now anchoring. So is anchoring difficult or challenging for you, or is it a cakewalk?
No, it is challenging. It's completely challenging. When I started the first season, I was extremely skeptical, nervous, but I did get a hang of it quite quickly. One, because I love the game. I like the fact that I'm able to meet fans, normal people. As actor, it gave me a variety of characters in front of me, which otherwise I would never come across. That was one advantage. The other advantage was, like I said, the life-changing experience in front of your eyes, and as real as it can get. Is the high emotion content or high emotion adrenaline which keeps me going. The chat is something. I'm kind of happy guy, and so I like talking to people, and gave me a different insight. I'm a changed man after the first season.
So how do you establish connect with your contestants? Is it is it something to do with the script, or you have to? If you could tell us something.
I know their profiles, and I of course do not know how far they're going to go, or my job is to make them comfortable, kind of nudge them for their ambition, what is their dream, what is their need, and when I'm able to attach that need to the money is where the chat comes in, and the point at which I get that, then the entire purpose of the whole interaction and the game falls in place. So that's what I'm looking at all the time.
So is that easy, or?
No, it's not easy. People don't open up, they take time, they're anyway scared. They're scared of what question next is to come. I've lost a lifeline, what do I do? I again have a confusion. But the jeopardy is the game, so it makes it interesting. And to crack them in all those emotions is a task which I love it.
Any special moment?
So many actually. So many. There's so many moments which kind of made me think, made me emotional, made me laugh. but it more of a gave me a different insight as a human being, meeting the contestants.
All right. So there's a new leaf, if you go to see amongst the Marathi television genre, that you have DID, now there's Bigg Boss also which is coming in. So what do you have to say about the Marathi industry aspirants making it to Bollywood?
Aspirants to?
The aspirants belonging to the Marathi television fraternity making it to Bollywood. Like we already have the Hindi television actors making it to Bollywood. So about the Marathi television actors making it to Bollywood. A message to aspirants.
I mean, to aspirants it is, of course there is a huge opportunity. One, because the audience in number is increasing. The Marathi audience which watches Marathi also watches Hindi. So the opportunity, if you're talented, if you're able to make an impact in a language, it's really not difficult to change your language for want of more fans or just the challenge it poses. I mean, if you're talented and if you've done it in one language, you get confidence that I can crack it in Hindi too. And I think it is because the field is wide open now. The opportunities are more. So I'm kind of jealous of the new actors and the aspirants because I had a tough time cracking it.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.